Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bluetooth on off switch missing in Windows 10 or 11. So in this case, go here first, on search bar write cmd and run this command prompt, run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to put a simple command, sfc space / scan now. Now hit enter. It will take some time to scan, so minimize it. The second option you should go try here, go services, click on open. In this app list find find Bluetooth audio, this one maybe. Just double click on this Bluetooth audio and make sure your startup type is automatic. Okay, and your service status should be running. Click on apply, click on OK. Now go to the second option, Bluetooth support service. Double click, make this automatic and keep this status running. Click on apply, OK. The third option is here to Bluetooth user service. Double click, automatic, it is start now. If you find this it is stopped, click on start. Okay, then click on select automatic and click on apply, then OK. If it's the parameter, then we should cut off this, no problem. Then the third option, you should go here again, go to cmd command prompt or this command box. It is still 28%, hold on. One more command should be prompt here, but it is already 646 only, so we have to minimize it and wait till it's 10 at 100. Then we have to go here and write device manager. Go device manager. In this option find Bluetooth. Just double click on this and you'll find all of your Bluetooth services. Just pick one, which is actually your Intel Bluetooth, name with Intel. That's mean your built-in computer Bluetooth. So right click and click on update driver. Update. If it's already update, then you have to go here, search for Windows for again update driver and choose this browse my computer for drivers. Then click on next, sorry not next, let me pick and choose your Intel wireless Bluetooth. Click on next and installing successfully. Okay, then again go here, and if you still finding the issue, if you still facing the issue, then you have to disable these services like this and enable it back again. Just right click and click on enable device. Okay, now the last step but not the least, I'm gonna show you. Go to local disk, this Windows Explorer, and go to local disk. This one, go to Windows. Now find System32. Double click on this. Then go on top this search option and write FSQUIRT. Now click on the right click on this and go to send to, and you have to select on this create desktop shortcut. Okay, after creating desktop shortcut, if you go to your desktop, you'll find this Bluetooth here. Okay, this was the 5 solutions. Let's go one more solution. I have told you that we have to put here a code, command code. Then what is that command? I'm gonna put you now. It is like DISM space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. Now click on enter, and now all you have to do is restart your device and check back. I hope your Bluetooth issue will be fixed if you implement this 5 solution what I have shown this video. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.